Alright guys, I finally got missing puzzle piece for the K-swap, which has been holding me back a little bit. But I got the O2 sensor, the factory wideband denso from Rock Auto. Should be able to hit VTEC now. I got to adjust the fuel pressure on the car. Then we're gonna get another hit. Hopefully this time it really freaking pulls. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video of it driving. Just, you know, a little tease, and figured, well, I might as well show you guys what the car's doing right now. Still got some little things I want to touch up before the show, but at least I got this part, which sets up some bigger things like exhaust and registering the car and getting it on the road. So let's get started. So this heap of mess, we're at the last interior wire. I don't know if you guys can see, that's the O2 sensor wire going through a factory plug right over here. This plug just slid it through there. Some ghetto fab holder there so I don't move and burn on the header. And then we had this catastrophe, the O2 sensor straight up into the car. I had to kind of bang it. It is hitting it, but what am I gonna do? It's not like squishing it, but it's not all that pretty. So now load up the K-Pro again, adjust fuel, test drive. It is the sandiest day ever, but I want to test drive the car. I'm not going to let the sandstorm ruin that. Up, get the motor hot. We got vtec, baby. We got vtec. Woo! You can hear that open. You can hear vtec crack. Woo! You can hear vtec just crack, dude. Damn, that felt good, dude. I've got a blinker, so let's bring it on back.
91 ASAP. Up this video, guys. Got the O2 in, fuel pressure adjusted, car's running like a beast. Like, comment, subscribe, check it out on Instagram, egchris92. Peace.